Yeah. Oh, let's put my camera. Oh, my camera is on. Huh? Yeah. I'm asleep, guys. Let's do the intro. What's up, Lucent Online fans? How you all doing? We're back with another banger. So today, I'm gonna show you all my what can I? All my stuff I need to work on for the last couple of days. Okay, I can say couple of years now. So, but I'm not gonna show you now. I'm gonna show you before the video ends. But I want to tell you, my friend. I'm gonna sit quick. My friend, ne, he he heeft mos a dog, ne. So me and my other friend, die come there, ne. Me and my other friend, die go there. I'm just telling you. Me and my other friend go there. So we go in his house. Everything is fine, but when we come, we see our other friend is not there. We call his name the whole time. We just hear, yep, yep. So we go. But who's knocking on my door? Oh no. Wait, I'm gonna put the camera off. I'm gonna see if I can call you, if I can record now. Okay, okay, sorry. It was our kid. Sure. But okay, where was I now? Yeah, you will yep. So we think, nah, he's just drowning in the pool. So we ran over. But I forgot, my friend, don't have any more the pool. So we think, right, how is this? So we go outside, we see the dog, but his leg is like somebody stab him. Yeah, and it looks, so we did rush him to the hospital. So the doctor say he can maybe be he can maybe wake up in tomorrow, or he can wake up in 5 days. So my friend's mom did started crying now. So I was feeling sad, so I must go to the shop. So I go buy her all the sweets and that. So yeah, so now she's fine. So please, very please, I just want to say, God is great, God is good, everything. Believe in God, then nothing will happen to you. Okay, subscribe and like. See you all next time online.